alternate entrance, and this is the powder room for guests to use. So we have a small balcony next to the private lift. And now we enter main dining and living hall. Very bright, airy unit as well once you open the windows. Greenery Views. And now this is the dry kitchen, and then it also leads to the wet kitchen, where there's a helper's room and a WC at the back, and the laundry is done at the back as well. Over here is the secondary entrance, and that's where we just came from, the foyer's door. So now the balcony, this is east facing along Grange Road. So top of the tree lines, beautiful. So this is stack 1. Stack 2 is the other unit over here in front of us. So that is west facing. So all that this unit has is a bit of west sun at your dining area. Let's head back inside. This side here is a bomb shelter, storage as well. So first bedroom, wardrobe space. There's some built-in, including the desks, which are above the bay window. Okay. So ensuite. And what is nice is the unblocked north views of One Tree Hill. You can see Four Seasons Park as well. Okay. Ducted air conditioning, all 3 bedrooms and the living dining area as well. So now this is the master. Very bright. Now it's still about just at 5 p.m. So every morning, northeast, this will be what is greeting you. Yeah, landed views. We're above the landed views. We're above the tree lines as well. Okay. Walk-in cabinets, plus dual sinks, bathtub, and shower, toilet bowl area. Okay, very bright. Master bathroom. On to this last bedroom. That's the only room with a planter / balcony. Okay, so this will be more or less true east facing. And you have your wardrobe and ensuite as well. Thanks for watching.